Welcome to my review of DocsPal, a website that offers file conversion services for a variety of formats. In this video, I'll take you through its features, including its user interface, supported file formats, and overall ease of use. DocsPal is designed to be a quick and easy solution for converting documents, images, and other types of files. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The homepage is simple and clean, offering easy access to the file conversion process. You simply upload your file, select the format you want to convert to, and hit convert. It sounds straightforward, but there are some limitations you need to be aware of. The site supports a variety of formats, including DOC, PDF, PNG, JPG, and more, which is great. However, some of the more complex file conversions can be slow, and the website doesn't always handle large files well. One of the things I like about DocsPal is that it doesn't require you to sign up or create an account to use the service. This makes it a convenient option if you need to convert files quickly without any unnecessary steps. However, while the process is easy, there is no guarantee that the output file will always maintain its original quality, especially for documents with intricate formatting or images with fine details. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. DocsPal makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about the performance. For basic file conversions, DocsPal works as advertised. It's fast, and the interface is easy to navigate. But if you need more advanced options, like batch conversions or specific settings for file types, you might want to look elsewhere. There are also occasional delays in processing large files, which could be frustrating if you're on a tight schedule. In terms of user experience, DocsPal is pretty user-friendly, but it doesn't offer the same level of customization or advanced features that some other conversion sites provide. It's perfect for casual users who need to do quick conversions, but may not be ideal for professional use where precision and speed are crucial. That said, DocsPal does offer an impressive selection of file formats for conversion, and for the most part, it's a solid tool for getting the job done. However, if you're someone who regularly deals with larger files or more complex conversions, you might run into some limitations. Overall, DocsPal is a decent file converter. It works well for basic needs and doesn't require any sign-up. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution for converting your files, DocsPal might be worth considering. But if you need more robust features, you might want to explore other options. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this one.